Today, we dive into one of the Bible's most vivid stories, Ezekiel's vision of the Valley of Dry Bones. It's not just a dramatic scene, it's a powerful message for every person. Imagine a valley full of dry, lifeless bones. That's Israel in exile, broken, hopeless. But what happens next changes everything. Ezekiel stands in this valley. The bones are scattered everywhere, like people who've lost their way. Suddenly, a voice asks him, "Can these bones live?" Ezekiel answers, "Only you know." Then God tells him to speak life into them. As Ezekiel speaks in obedience to God, something amazing happens. Bones click together, tendons and flesh form, skin covers them, and breath enters their bodies. The lifeless become a living army. This is more than a show, it's a promise. What was dead can live again when God acts. What's message to us today? 1. Hope from hopelessness. No matter how lifeless your situation seems in your relationships, dreams, or faith, God can breathe a new life. 2. Ours is to speak life. Ezekiel spoke prophecy over the bones. We too must speak words of encouragement, hope, prayer into what seems dead around us. 3. God revives in His time. The timing, sound of the breath, it all came from God. We trust Him more than our own strength. Imagine someone stuck in failure, maybe lost a job or a relationship. Everything feels dead. But when someone speaks a kind word, prays, and believes, hope starts to stir. That's life beginning again. It might be slow, but God is at work. Look at what seems dead in your life. Pray and speak words of hope. Trust God to breathe new life. Don't leave the valley discouraged. Speak life over it. Trust God. He can bring your dry bones back to life. Subscribe, comment, like, and share this powerful video.